get home grill fired up for potentially the last time. Bit warmer this morning, boys, about 30 degrees. Let's get today going. All right, boys, like I just said there, this might be the last time I work for this company. It's just kind of one of those deals. We'll get into it later on today, but going in for potentially my last meeting with this cat dealership. Let's get it going, boys. Well, boys, it's not an easy video to shoot. I'll put it up on YouTube at some point, the ins and outs of everything, but today is my last day at Carter Machinery. Like I said, not easy to shoot. Not easy to shoot. 7 years between Albany and Carter, and this right here is what got me. So if it can happen to me, it can happen to you. I'm not talking anybody out of doing social media and filming what they do and what they work and shit like that, because it's not my place. But I will tell you that just watch your ass. Some dealers are a little more lenient on it. Carter's not. It's not work performance related. It's got nothing to do with what I do here. I'm actually looked after and sought after, but it is what it is. On to the next one, boys. Boys, sometimes surprises come in all shapes and sizes. Well, this surprise is kind of a big one. More details will follow on this new venture that we now have in this world we call heavy equipment. So stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Yeah, I did, I think. Let me think. Yeah. Yeah.
All right, boys. Stay tuned. She lit up like a Christmas tree up in here. All right, to start out this tour, I want to go ahead and show you guys I work for Stormwater Management now. They're right outside of Southern Maryland. Go over the truck layout so far. So steel body, which is cool. Everything's nice and heavy. Two very nice sets of toolboxes inside here. Drawers are really nice. Plenty of damn space. You got your smaller bulk bin, bolt bin kind of area here. Got a lot of my AC stuff in this one. All right, right over the axle, you got another little small tool drawer here. All my boxed items for the most part right up top. And the rear side here is kind of just...
Proof that not everything can be an album cover.
2020 Peterbilt dump truck with that old X15. Customer states transmission issue. I'll have Field Tech go out there and look at it, and it's shut down on the side of the road. They want me just to take a look at it, make sure the connector and everything was good, no continuity between pins, and there was no damage. So we're going to go ahead and get into that. There you go, boys. I found the problem. It's an Allison. All right, so we're back here where the transmission control connector is. Apparently it was loose on the road yesterday, so we're going to go take it down and make sure it's clean and we don't have continuity between pins. Well, the inside of the connector looks clean. I don't see any bent pins there. And looking at the main connector here, doesn't seem bad, so we're going to go and check and make sure that we don't have continuity between pins. And we'll probably just clean this whole unit back up, throw some dielectric grease in here. Alright, so we had no continuity between pins, and retighten everything, clean it up, out of the harness better. Just towing some dead weight, boys, towing some dead weight. Well, I need you. Going to you. D6K2 that we're working on is having an issue with potentially the track adjuster, where you can tell the rock guard is riding right up against the front idler here. Well, here's usually a sign that shit's not right when track's got that much slide in it. Well, that's not giving me the warm fuzzies like I was hoping for. Ugh. Pneumatic grease gun took a shit, so I'm going full poverty mode here, boys. Yeah, not excited about it. Gotta pump that track up so we can get that thing moving today. So pumped the track up on both sides, had an air gap between the rock guard and the front idler on both. Still getting a sound. To me, it sounds like one of the actual rollers, upper track roller, something like that. Need an operator, and it raining today. Hey, James River. So yeah, we'll have to tackle this one on Monday, but for the time being, they can move the machine. So yeah, on to the next one, boys. Well, boys, finally saying goodbye to the old Carter machinery. Had to drop off uniforms today, and that's it, boys. That's the fucking ball game. No more Carter machinery for me, boys. Mr. Pay Dirt all of a sudden starts talking to me again, and I feel special once again from him. So I thought today I'd wear his fucking shirt, you know, just to support him. Yeah, but I really do appreciate you writing me and shit like that recently over the last little bit of shit here. So if you haven't followed him, which if you follow me, you probably follow him anyway, but if you don't follow him, check out his videos. His are a hell of a lot more interesting than mine. So yeah, have a good day, boys. All right, boys, happy Sunday. First and foremost, I want to go ahead and say thank you to everyone who's reached out to me ever since the video came out. It's been nothing but positivity in the comments on the channel, as well as the comments that people were just writing me in general. A lot of employees at Carter, former and current, have actually wrote me and said really positive things. It does suck. I'll be honest with you, it does suck. I do wish I could have stayed that path and stayed a Caterpillar technician. That's the God's honest truth. Even with all the bullshit, I still wanted to work for these guys. But maybe later down the road, I still want to be a trainer or a TC at some point in my life. But, you know, for the time being, we're just going to keep slinging wrenches and doing what we do best, boys. So on to the next one.